Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be introducing you to Civil3D 2022. After you successfully install Civil3D on your system, then what you do is to launch the AutoCAD. Then after you launch the AutoCAD, here is the interface. Here, this is what is going to display on the screen for you. So the first thing is, after you have this display on your screen, you have to be familiar with the software. Here we have Home, Insert, Annotate, Modify, Analyze, View, Manage, Output, and likes. For the Analyze, here we have, under Analyze we have distance. If you want to check your distance, your area, lists, locates, we have it under Analyze. Under Home we have Line. You can click on this arrow. It's going to display the type of line you can use. We have Create Line. If you want to create line, you click on Create Line. We have Create Line by point, range, and all others. We have Arc. We have Arc. You can click on the arrow. You see different type of arc that we have. Start and end. We have polyline here. You can see polyline. We have circle, we have rectangle. You can see for circle we have different types. We have elliptical arc, we have arc. We have for rectangle, we also have polygon under rectangle. When you click on the direction arrow, that is that for that. We have here under here we have where to on your auto. Here from this arrow here, this small icon, this drop arrow here, we have node. You can on and off your node, your center point, your midpoint, and all others. To set your units, you can come to this C3D, then you click on the drop arrow icon. Here we have new. If you want to create a new drawing, we have open. If you want to open any file type, we have save. We have save as. You can save as of any format that you want. We have export. If you want to export any drawing file format, we have print. We have utilities. Here you can set your units. You can set your units. That is for that under C3. And then to open a new drawing, you can as well come to this plus icon here. You click on the plus sign. You open another new tab. It means you are having a new drawing. Then you can start to develop whatever you want to do on the drawing. Here under this we have prospectors, settings, survey, toolbox. You right click on this drawing and then click on edit drawing settings. Here you can set your drawing datum projection. Under home we have points. Here we can import data into the AutoCAD environment by coming to point. Then you click on point creation tools. Then you click on import points and select the necessary data formats that you want to import, and then to also export data from the AutoCAD environment. If you want to export data from the AutoCAD environment, you come to output, then you come to export points, and then you select the format type Just like the way you want to import data into the AutoCAD, you can also export data from the AutoCAD. Here you select the AutoCAD format type that you want to export, then you do the settings, you limit to point group depending on the data that you want to export. Here we have a command box here. At times some people do mistakenly click on this close icon for your command box, whereby to bring it back is usually be an issue for them. It's quite easy for you to bring back your command box. What you have to do is, you can see for 2022 here is already specifying what to do for you. Let's assume I click close on my command box. I've closed my command box, I don't have it again. What I will definitely do is to click on Control, then I will also press 9. You hold your Control and then you press 9. It's going to bring back the command box. Here we have different environments. We have civil3D, we have drafting and annotate, we have 3D modeling, we have planning and analysis, depending on what you want to use to develop your drawings. Under prospector, we have points. We have point group surface, where you can create your surface for engineering work. We have alignments and corridor, all those things for routes and lights. Here we have pass-through to create your if you want to create layout, you can use your pass-through. Under alignment, here we can use alignment for route survey. For assembly, we create assembly for our route. For our route job, we create our assembly corridor and assembly the work together. Under sample lines, that is for cross section. We have sample lines, we have sample sections. Sample line is when you are creating your cross section, while section view is the cross section, by section view is the output of your cross sections. Here we have profile view. To create a profile, you definitely use your create profile view. Under annotate, we have add label. If you are using like if you want to work on auto label, or you want to create contour and spot height, here you can come to your annotate here, then you click on surface. There we have spot elevation on grid. That is when we do create spot height. For contour, we click on contour. We can use both single contour, multiple contour, and then multiple and interval contour. That is for contour creation and spot height. For auto label, you just come to the annotate, then you click on add labels, and then you come to parcel, and then you click on multiple segments depending on what you want. Either let us know you want bearing and distance, so you then click on multiple segments, and then you select your perimeter. Is going to display for you your automatic bearing and distance. That is the basic things you need to know on the AutoCAD civil3D 2020. The beauty of civil3D 2020 is that when using it, anything that you want to do on it, whereby you don't know where it is, you can definitely press a letter. Let's assume I want to use line and I don't know where the line is. What I'll just do is to press L. So it's going to it's going to give you a list of what we have under L. Here we have line, we have length, and another thing is going to give you the short form of the command. If you should press like L now, is giving me L. Next time if I need my help, I can come to this command here, then I'll input help directly, and then it's going to work perfectly. Let's assume now I don't know where my polyline is. What I'll just do is I'll press P. Since I know polyline is starting with P, here you can see PL. Definitely that is polyline. Next time I'll just come to this place. Instead of looking for it, I'll just press PL. Then if you give me my polyline directly. So what I'm saying in essence is that whatever thing you want to do on civil3D environment, whereby you don't know where it is, you can definitely press it on the screen, on the interface. You definitely press it. Let's assume I want to arch an image now, and I don't know where my arch is. Definitely I'll just press H. You can see now it's going to give me my arch, and everything I need under everything that is under H is going to give me a drop down. That is one of the beauty of AutoCAD civil3D. I believe with these few things you'll be able to handle any civil3D software you come across. Thank you.